Yo guys, it's the Tannis Godzilla here, and today I got a video called Birds with Arms. I know this is a bit out of the blue, but I saw this and I was like, hey, you know what? I like birds, so why don't we react to Birds with Arms? And today I'm going to be joined by Heisei Rodan. Say hi, Heisei Rodan. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here on the channel again after the reacting to Godzilla characters caught in 4K. So, yeah, go watch that video right now. But, yeah, I'm with Godzilla here today, reacting to Birds with Arms. Yep, so let's start the video right now. Let's turn down the volume so you don't get copyrighted. I mean, look at this. Oh my god, they're like little businessmen. It actually fits them. Like, why? Like, it's uncanny, really, but like, it could work, to be honest. I mean, look at that. Like, it somehow looks natural, and I don't know how. I don't know why. All right, that one looks a little bit edited since like the blue sleeves. Yeah, I agree. My goodness. Let's turn down the volume even more. He's just flinging his arms around. Oh, bro, he be hitting the gritty or something. Oh, look at that dancing fella. He looks like he's having a good time. Oh my god. Oh yeah, get it done, Peregrine Falcon. Oh no, that bird's just adorable. Oh, look at that little duck. Some of these look extremely edited, but it's still pretty good, I'd say. Oh my god, how come this one fits so well for some reason? The owl's just playing this guitar. Oh my god. Oh, these guys have arms. These guys have arms. All the birds in here have arms so far. Heck, I have arms. Yep, you sure do. Oh, the owl's jacked. That fits so well. Most of these like fit so well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does that work? I don't get it. Oh, peekaboo. Yeah, man, these birds are having like the time of their lives. Like, I wish, like, I mean, look at this. They're having the time of their lives. Ooh, ooh. What's on the ground there? Is it like a toy? Like one of those worm toys? I don't know. Tell me in the comments what that is, if you guys have one. Oh wait, I think Silver Money used to have one of those. Yeah, it's like the... You suck, I know. Oh, jeez. That's a toy snake. I thought it was a real snake for a second. Oh my god. That's gonna be the thumbnail for sure. Yep, that looks pretty edited. Oh, okay. Wow, that one was actually pretty good. Yeah, not gonna lie. Alright guys, now we got Birds with Arms Part 2. And right off the bat, we have this guy using his binoculars. These guys washing clothes. It's so uncanny, I love it. Yeah, oh my god. Like, this is great. Oh my god, they're little businessmen. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, that is going to be the end of this video. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe. It is a bit random, but Sylvan Money needs something to upload while he's working on Kong and Boots. So yeah. Yeah, thanks for inviting me, Godzilla. No problem, Rodan, anytime. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more future content and more random stuff like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.